Hey everyone, Chris here, Northway Ford Lincoln. Today I'm just going to be showing you a video on the 2018 Ford Explorer Sport model, power folding middle row and third row. So I'm going to start off here in the middle row. And as you can see, this one has the captain chairs, all leather seating in the back, no center console, so you could technically go through the center here to get to the back row. I'm going to show you your other option you have, which is a standard option here on the Ford Explorer Sport. You've got this power folding seat button, you can see right here. All you want to do is put down the headrest before you decide to push that, and then press the button here and watch. Now how neat is that? Just makes it that much easier to get into the third row seating here. Great feature. Now if you come around to the back here, you got your power liftgate, which is also a kick liftgate if you would like to use that feature. And now you can see back seats are up. Usually, you might have your headrests up, depends on if you want it down or not for better clarity out the back window there. But all you have to do to bring that down is pull this button here, and it's gone, just like that. Come over here to the sidewall here, you have different options: normal, stow, fold, right, left, or both seats to go. And right now I'm going to use the fold feature first, just to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to press that button for both. And you can see seats will fold right down, just to give you that additional space that you may need to store some things on top. Or you can use the stow feature, and you can see those seats just get hidden down now into the floor and provide that much more space for anything you need to bring on the road, of course to the cottage, any road trips, whatever purposes you need it for. And I'm Chris, and again, this is just showing you how to use your power folding seats. Bye for now.